let's talk about this Japanese style clipper which I bought 8 months ago. So I think it's time to give you my opinion. Do I recommend it? Did I have any problems for the past 8 months? So I'm talking about this guy here, Babyliss, Japanese style hair clipper. This is a digital one, so let me open it just to show you. Let me know in the comments down below, how often do you cut your hair? Once a month? Twice a month? I usually cut my hair once a month. This hair clipper comes with a big massive box. I don't know if you can see. Let me change the brightness just to have idea. As you can see now, pretty decent. So 8 straight months I was using this hair clipper. Actually, my fiance, it's doing my hair. This is pretty nice. You can check my unboxing video, first impressions. I do like the display. It's very good, as you can see. So, what do I think about this Japanese style hair clipper? For the past 8 months, I didn't had single problem. The build quality is very nice. It's a little bit heavy, which is good. My fiance was using this. Actually, she's doing my hair, and I didn't have any problems. Something that I wanna say that I think it's amazing. I charged this hair clipper only once for the past 8 months. I don't know if you're gonna believe me, but yeah, this is true. The standby time of this hair clipper is amazing. So if you don't use it maybe every month, or even if you use it only once or twice per month, the standby time is amazing. So I charge it only once for the past 8 months, which is amazing. The charging time of this hair clipper is around 3 hours, and you have 90 minutes of use. Something about the charging, pretty easy to use, comes in the box. So overall, what is my opinion? Do I recommend this hair clipper by Babyliss? Yes, 100%. If you use this hair clipper at home, I think this is a very, very good buy. This is not sponsored, but I recommend it because I didn't have any problems. I use it once in a month. The charging time is okay, 3 hours. The standby time is amazing. The build quality is great. It's easy to use. It's easy to clean as well. Overall, yeah, this is a very good buy. I'm not sure if you're professional, because I'm not a professional. My fiance, she's not a professional as well. If you're a professional barber, I don't know if this is gonna be for you. I think it's gonna be okay for you. Depends what do you do. My advice is, if you're planning to buy this as a professional, try it first, and then if you like it, then you can keep it. But overall, for everyday use at home, this is a very good hair clipper. Definitely recommend it. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. Like this video, and I'm gonna leave the unboxing video if you wanna see it in end of today's video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.